So, how are you feeling with this award today?
I'm feeling really great. It's a great honor and it's a like recognition for our efforts we have done for last 3 years. And we put our heart and soul to this project where we work for the cause of providing free education to the underprivileged children. We take care of their holistic development, including providing education, providing their hygiene needs, like everyday needs, wellness, and also their emotional welfare.
That's good to hear about it that you're taking care of all of this because in this world there are very few people who do this social care and all that, and it's really proud to share the stage with you today. And what do you tell to your upcoming entrepreneurs?
I will tell to the upcoming entrepreneurs that we need to have the passion, for doing what we want to do, whether it is for like for a social cause or for a business cause. The passion should be there, the confidence should be there to work hard every day, every single day, and to make it big. The right people will connect with you whenever you need. It's just that you should know what you want to do and take forward with that.
What challenges did you face during this period?
There are a lot of challenges which an entrepreneur faces during the setup of the organization. For example, right from the start, people are not willing to provide funds to you. They are not willing to trust you because you are new in the industry. They want experience in the same field, but it's very difficult. So through contacts, through positive impact you have made so far in your life, they help you in this regard. You make contacts and then people trust you, and with your hard work only, people will recognize that you are doing really good work. And then this is the one challenge. The second challenge is every day there will be some hiccups for you, but you have to know that where you have come from and where you want to go, and then keep working on that.
That's really nice. After even your achievement, you did not forget where you came from. That's the biggest goal of a true entrepreneur, I would say. Like we shouldn't